Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential tutorial: how to change your PIN for your Varo debit card in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons or just want a fresh code, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Varo Bank makes this process super straightforward through their app, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Varo app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it. It's free for Varo account holders. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your current username and password. Security is key, so double-check those details to avoid any hiccups. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the menu icon, usually in the top corner. It's often 3 lines or a hamburger icon. Tap on that, and then scroll down to the Settings or Security section. This is where the magic happens. Inside Settings, find the option that says something like Manage PIN or Change Debit Card PIN. It might be under a sub-menu for your debit card details. Once you've selected that, you'll be prompted to enter your current PIN for verification. This is Varo's way of ensuring it's really you making the change. After that, you'll get a screen to set your new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. Aim for a mix of numbers and maybe avoid obvious patterns. Enter your new PIN twice to confirm it, just to make sure there are no typos. Hit the Submit or Confirm button, and voila! You'll see a success message, and your new PIN will be active right away. Remember, if you're ever in a pinch and need to change it from an ATM, Varo might have options, but the app is the easiest route. Changing your PIN regularly is a smart move for protecting your finances, especially in 2025 with all the digital threats out there. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.